In this video, I am going to explain the vector sum, that is, find the angle between the two vectors A equals to 2i cap plus j cap minus k cap and B equals to I cap minus k cap. So here we want to find the angle. You know the formula, that is A bar dot B bar equals to AB cos theta. So here we want the angle, means here we can write the cos theta formula. So cos theta formula is A bar dot B bar by AB. So before going to that, here this vector we can write like, here 2i cap plus j cap minus k cap is there. So this is nothing but ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. So this is the form. So here they given the 2i cap plus j cap minus k cap. That means here ax equals to 2, ay equals to 1, az equals to minus 1. So here j is multiplied with 1. Here k, it is having that 1. So same like for the b vector, we can write b equals to I cap minus k cap. That means bx I cap minus bz k cap. So here bx equals to 1, bz equals to minus 1. Okay, so first here we have to find the A bar dot B bar. So A bar dot B bar means what is the formula? A bar dot B bar, we can write 2i cap plus j cap minus k cap into I cap minus k cap. So here first we know that formula, direct formula, that is ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. So here ax how much here? 2. 2. Bx how much here? 1. So 2 into 1 plus ay means 1 here. 1 into by here not given, so that is 0, plus az minus 1, bz minus 1. So 2 into 1, 2, 1 into 0, 0, minus into minus 1, plus 1. So plus 1. 2 plus 1 equals to 3. This is the A bar dot B bar. Next we can find the AB. So AB means that is the magnitude. So AB. In that first we can write A modulus. So A. What is the formula here? Ax square plus ay square plus az square. This is the magnitude formula. So here what is the ax here? 2, ay 1, az minus 1. So substitute these values here. Root of 2 square plus 1 square plus minus 1 square. 2 square, 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So 4 plus 1 plus 1, 6. So this is the magnitude of A. Same like we want to find the magnitude of B. So B equals to same formula like bx square plus by square plus bz square. Here bx value 1, b by value not there, so bz equals to minus 1. Then 1 square plus 0 square plus minus 1 square. 1 into 1, 1 plus minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So this is the magnitude of B. Now these values we have to substitute here. A bar dot B bar value, how much you got here? 3. So here substitute cos theta equals to 6 by 3 AB. So here magnitude of A how much here? Root 6. B how much? Root 2. Then here we can write root 6 root 2. Then cos theta equals to 3 by, this we can write like 6 into 2. 6 2s are 12. So cos theta equals to 3 by root 12. So root 12 we can write like 2 into 3 we can write. And here 2 square is there. So 3 by, separately we can write like, so square root cancel, then 3 by root 3 cos theta. So root 3 we can write like root 3 into root 3 by 2 root 3. So here root 3 will cancel. So finally cos theta value how much here? Root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 means that theta value how much? 30 degrees. So this is the angle between these two vectors. Next one, prove that the vectors A equals to 2 I cap minus 3 j cap plus k cap and B vector I cap plus j cap plus k cap are mutually perpendicular. So here we want to prove it. So first we have to do that A bar dot B bar. So A bar dot B bar means we know the formula, that is AX BX plus AY BY plus AZ BZ. So here this is the AX component, AY component, AZ component. Here BX, BY, BZ. So in this vector separately we can write, so 2 I cap minus 3 j cap plus k cap means here this is the AX term, AX component, AY component, AZ component. So here AX how much? 2, AY how much? Minus 3, AZ how much? 1. Same B vector I cap plus j cap plus k cap. So every component is 1, bx1, by1, bz1. Then substitute the values here. So a bar dot b bar equals to ax value 2, bx value 1 plus ay value minus 3, by value here 1, az value 1, bz value 1. So 2 into 1, 2, minus 3 into 1, minus 3 plus 1. So 2 plus 1, 3, minus 3. Then 3 minus 3 means 0. So when we are doing the dot product of these two vectors, we got the answer is 0. Now we can find out these two are perpendicular or not. So we know that formula, that is a bar dot b bar equals to ab cos theta. So here ab value is 0 means, so when that ab value is 0, when the cos theta value 90, when the cos theta equals to 0, that angle is 90 degrees. Already you know the special cases of dot product. When the angle between the two vectors is 90, the dot product became 0. So here these two vectors are the mutually perpendicular.